cold and blustery January day. It's going to be 18 degrees by the time this day is over. Yesterday it was 60. Welcome to New England. What we're going to do today should not take too long. I know, famous last words, but we are going to put a fuel filler door over this because, well, I just think it would look better. So without further ado, let's get going. Now, the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to remove this light. And if you've watched any of the other videos, we've been in here a lot. But you only need to take the 2 screws on this side out. Once you have those 2 screws out, you're just going to push a little bit to the right and then wiggle it out. Now, to disconnect the wiring harness, you're going to push in right here and just pull. Move this out of the way. All right, now the next step is going to be to remove the tether line from the gas cap. Just reach in, just pull it right out, just like that. And then take the cap off. So the next step is, see this clip right here? You're gonna end up pushing in on that clip. There's one up top, there's one on the bottom, there's 2 on the other side. All right, the directions say to remove this rubber seal next. We're not gonna do that, it's a lot easier if you don't remove it, trust me. But we are gonna do the 2 clips that I just showed you. You're gonna push in on those. If you can't do it with your fingers, try using a flathead screwdriver. Just be careful, you don't wanna snap them. So I'm gonna start with the bottom one first, just pushing in and pulling out. Now going to the top, pushing in and pulling out. Then once you get it, pull it back to loosen it. And now, remember what I told you about the rubber seal here? You're just gonna pull it, oh, hold on. Grab onto the neck and then just pull it right out. And there you go.
Cool.
I want to show you in detail how we took this out, just because, well, it was dark in there and tight.
You can't fit the camera in there.
So let's just say the side of the Jeep's right here, so this is coming in, okay? This is the first clip that I pushed in on. That's the second clip I pushed in on. And while I was pushing in on it, I was pulling out. Now by pushing, I mean this. Watch the clip right here. They push right in. If you can't get it with your finger, you gotta use something blunt to push down hard on it. And now while you're doing that, you just pull out. So when I had this one somewhat out, this one, then it was pulled. The 2 clips over here, I just pulled it towards the back and pulled the whole thing out. It's that simple. Now we will have links to the fuel filler cover down in the description box below this video, but you have to realize something. The 4-door and the 2-door are different. See right here, this hole? That's an aligning hole. On here is an aligning pin. Ours is at 12 o'clock. If you have a 4-door, yours is gonna be at 9 o'clock. Now, if you order the wrong one and cannot return it, just cut the tip off and you'll be fine. They're the same thing. But make sure you order the right one to begin with. But we came inside. We wanna make sure you guys got a good look at the fuel filler cover. That and the fact it was getting kind of cold out there.
We got a chance to warm up.
But this is the cover itself. It's metal on the outside. The back is plastic, even though it looks like it's metal. And I want you to pay attention right here. See where it says 2-door? Remember, a lining pin will be in a different place for the 4-door. So when it's at the other spot, it should say 4-door for you. Now the cover itself, according to the link that is below in the description box, it says it will fit 2007 through 2016. I'm gonna guarantee you this will fit 2017 too, because that's what ours is.
So, I hope so.
Well, if not, you won't be seeing this video. All right. The rubber seal here. One side is flat, one side has a lip. The side that's flat will be facing towards the inside of the vehicle. The lip will be facing towards the outside of the vehicle. And the way it's going to fit, you see the groove in here? It's going to slide into here. So when it's done, flat part is on the outside. The lip is on the inside. Let's get back out in the cold and put this on.
Oh, do we have to?
Yeah. Oh, while you're here though, it's set up just like the one we took off with the 4 clips. Now when we go out there, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna slip the bottom in and then roll the top up to it. The aligning pin will go right in the hole. So let's go get it done. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna try to push this over the neck here, the opening. Get the rubber through it. And the bottom already locked in, the clips. So, you ready? Done.
Wow.
It was that simple, people. Easy peasy. All right, just gotta put the gas cap back on the tether. Now all you gotta do, push it right in. That's in. Cap's on. Door closed.
Wow, that looks sharp.
Put the light back on. Line them up. Push. Clip. Done. Work it back in.
So you've seen us do this before.
Yeah. All right, now just put the screws in it. And I tell you every time I do this, if you're going to use power to put it back in, do not go all the way. Just snug, or you will crack your lens. I do go back and tighten them up with a regular Phillips head. Well,
I love the way it looks.
that looks pretty good. All right, so that was pretty easy. And trust me, we filmed it and it still did not take a long time to do. I mean, I like it.
I think it looks sharp.
Very, very cool. All right, well, if you learned something and you like this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and feel free to share this video, because until we do something else to this Jeep, the end. Oh, by the way, check out our new frame around the license plate.
Pretty cool.
YouTuber.